Anytime.
Doing it now?
Yes.
Tuntua ka talaga nag-isip ko na.
Hi! Welcome to our channel! I'm Bangge.
I'm Greg.
Welcome to our channel. First time namin. Obviously, wala kaming vlog. Hindi kayo mahilig sa mga ganito. Sobrang private ng buhay namin. Lalong-lalo na nung meet ko si Greg kasi hindi naman siya taga-showbiz. Mahiyain siya. Akala niya mahiyain siya. Pero makulit talaga yan in real life. Diba?
Really? I am. It's news to me.
So, may mga nagtatanong sa atin kasi syempre excited sila about our pregnancy pero wala pala silang idea paano tayo nagkakilala. Kasi kahit yon kinip natin private. Gusto mo ba ikaw mag-share paano tayo nagkakilala?
How much do we want to share?
Ikaw, tell all.
We can start and I'll fill in the blanks.
Okay. So, ako naman talagang okay. Chikang-chika. Nagkakilala kami habang ginagawa ko yung teleseryeng Walang Hanggang Paalam. Unang-una pala, supposedly mag-meet kami ng December ng 2018. Hindi lang kami natuloy dahil nasa New Zealand ka.
At the time, yeah, I was working.
Nasa New Zealand siya, tapos parang hindi siya interesado talaga sa akin.
No, that's not true. I just felt like I didn't have anything in common with actress. I didn't know what I would talk about. Like, I was more nervous than anything else.
Pero kilala mo ako, na artista ako.
Yeah, I've heard your name. I've seen you in magazines, particularly sexy magazines.
Alam nyo na. Alam nyo na mga ginawa niya doon. So, hindi nga kami natuloy ng 2018. Nagkaroon kami ng chance ng 2020 kasi yung location ng Walang Hanggang Paalam ay dito mismo sa Subic, kung saan taga dito talaga si Greg. Si Cherry Pie yung may kakilala sa kanya and may kakilala sa akin na nangungulit na sige na, game na mag-meet na kayong dalawa. Nung una ayoko talaga kasi medyo hindi naman jaded, kaya lang parang tamad na ako sa mga dating na ganyan. Parang hindi na ako interesado. Masaya naman na ako na single eh. Then, para lang matahimik talaga nun si Miss Pai, pumayag na ako na makapag-meet sa kanya. Doon nag-start yun. Nag-meet kami sa Lighthouse dito sa Subic.
Yeah, I saw you for the first time. You were still drinking at the time. You made me try taping food, which I pretended to really like. It was pancit and really, really soggy lumpia. Yeah, it was. And I said how good it tasted. And you told me how like you were struggling to like get decent food in Subic. So parang that was my in, asking her what type of food she liked. And so when I found out a couple of days later, I sent some food over to the hotel for the whole crew actually. I knew at one point she would have to thank me and I would get her number.
Well, nung nagpadala siya ng food, nakuha niya yung number ko dahil kailangan ko nga magpasalamat sa kanya. Actually noon wala pa kami talagang napag-usapan eh kasi one night lang kami nakita.
No, basically just like simple questions, you know, if you like the ocean. I was just trying to see if we had things in common, and you know, if there was some baseline there, I was getting along. Yeah, there was enough there to like send you a message that you took like 4 days to reply to.
Mga 2 days.
Felt like forever though.
And like, so may crush ka na sa akin nun? May crush ka na sa akin nun?
Kasi hintay ka na nang hintay. Yeah, I was, of course. I think I wrote you like a really, really long message. It was like, mga 4 na scroll ka or something.
Yeah,
and reply niya is, okay. Yeah, that was it.
May thank you, okay, thank you.
Yeah, I think that was it. Yeah.
Parang niyayaya niya akong mag-vote kasi yun ang work mo.
Yeah.
Hirap din kasi mag-yes kasi nga nasa work kami. So parang, okay, parang thanks for the offer, thank you. Parang ganun lang.
Tapos ako, makulit na ako na makulit. So, eventually, nagwagi yung kakulitan ko.
Parang nung una may entourage pa ako. Parang nandyan pa yung mga, dami ko pang friends na backup. Sila Raven, sila Zanjo, na parang dito lang kayo nyo iwan sa kanya.
Bakit pa si Zanjo?
Tapos, tumagal-tagal, napapansin ko na na-enjoy ko na kaming dalawa na lang talaga yung magkausap.
Kinikilig ka na nun eh.
Medyo. Ganun kami nagkakilala sa taping sa Lighthouse. And after nun, nung kailangan ko na umuwi ng Manila, sumunod siya.
No, we went to the beach first.
Yeah, nagpunta kami ng beach.
I took you to the beach, yeah.
Nag-extend ako ng 1 day dito sa Subic para mapagbigyan ko naman yung mga requests niya. And gusto ko din naman talaga. Gusto ko din makita yung mga sinasabi niya kasi bentang-benta na sa akin yung pagsakay nga ng boat. Kasi syempre pandemic noon, 'di ba? Parang tayong mga taga-city kapag sinabing dagat, sakay ka ng boat, parang wow. Kasi maging maka-experience ulit ng ganun, makatapa ka man lang sa body of water.
So yeah, then I went to Manila. You made me dinner. Yeah, and I saw your place for the first time. And I think that's where we actually really started really liking each other when we were away from everybody. Yeah.
So, okay naman. Hindi kami na-inep, hindi kami na-bored sa isa't isa. Tapos, kasi may isa pa ditong question, paano nyo nalaman na gusto nyo na ang isa't isa lalo na pagkatapos ng mga relationships na hindi nag-work?
I think it was how easy it was. I remember a conversation we had that we said to each other na even if we couldn't be in a relationship together, we wanted to be friends. Yeah, because we had so much in common and we did like, you know, our conversations. Yung parang throwback ng dalawa. So, I remember that. That was in Valle. And we were having that conversation saying na if this doesn't work out,
i-take things slow kasi gusto ko maging sure. Ayoko siyang mawala.
Love ka na sa akin nun eh.
Hindi pa ako kapal mukha nito. Ayoko siyang mawala kasi parang sobrang okay niyang tao. Parang ma-hurt ako kahit bilang as a friend na miss ko yung opportunity na mag-gain ko siya sa life ko.
When do we know? I think when in your third round, you asked, I asked you if you can keep the cats at the house so that you weren't always worried about them, and so I had the cats here, and that's a whole new story though. But I think around that time we kind of knew that we had something going on. Yeah.
So kailan mo na-realize na it's all worth it? Tanong to ni Noel Escondo. Hi Noel.
I have questions for me or you go
for us.
When I said I love you the first time. I think it was during a drive to Manila and I wasn't sure how to tell you and I think I just came out with it. I think it was during that time I actually knew that this is what I wanted. I was single for a long time and I didn't want to be in a relationship, but I knew then that, I wanted to be with you. I wanted you in my life. So it was just that time. You remember that time?
Yeah.
I think we were in NLEX.
Parang doon ako nag-I love you too sa'yo. Hindi yun yung first time na nag-I love you ka sa akin.
Okay.
Nag-I love you too ako sa'yo on the road going to Manila. Sobrang happy natin nun. Pinag-usapan na natin na kapag going strong lang talaga yung relationship natin, try natin magkaroon ng baby.
Yeah, the conversations about the kids started very early. First Christmas together, we decided
2020 pa.
Yeah, we were talking about we both really wanted to have kids. Yeah, so I think it was during that time. It was our first Christmas together. I think we had a lot of friends over Christmas. There was friends with kids, and kind of knew that we wanted that. I think it was during that time. It's safe to say it was our first Christmas together.
Feeling ko doon ko naramdaman na worth it ang lahat kasi wala akong naramdamang takot nung pinag-uusapan namin about building a family together. Parehas namin siyang gusto. Mas hindi kami sa marriage, mas hindi yun ang pinag-uusapan namin. So, ito naman, paano, kailan at saan mo nalaman na you're pregnant?
Oh, that's a big one.
Paano ko nalaman? Kasi, syempre delayed ako. Hindi ako naniniwala na buntis ako kahit delayed yung period ko. Kasi, dumaan yung Pasko. Well, November birthday ko. So, birthday season. Then, Christmas season. Alam ko, from November to December, talagang wala kaming ginawang tama. Talagang inom, puyat, entertain ng mga bisita, pagod lagi kami. Kabaligtaran lahat ng mga sinasabi ng doctor na sa mga ginawa namin. So feeling ko imposibleng buntis kami kasi mali-mali yung mga inom namin.
Although we were really trying, but it was during that time that it can't happen.
Yeah, sinasabi ko, diba? Ayoko nang alamin. Nasistress na ako. So, feeling ko mas nakatulong yun, diba? Na hindi na ako stressed about it. Parehas kaming hindi stressed. Dati kasi pag fertile ako, pauwiin ko talaga siya ng bahay.
That's what a lot of our friends said as well. It's like, it's when you don't think about it and you don't try so hard. And yeah.
So, kaya ako nalaman. Kaya na rin, dahil din papasok ako ng work, gusto ko na talagang ma-check yung box na yon na nag-pregnancy test na ako, ma-rule out ko yung pregnancy. So, syempre, talaga namang kinagulat ko, nabuntis ako. Talagang halo-halong emotions. Parang kahit na ano palang sabihin nyo na ready ka, pinag-pray mo, ang tagal yung sinubukan. Pag dumating na yun, nakita mo yung dalawang lines na yun, manginginig pala talaga yung katawan mo. Hindi mo alam kung talaga bang ready ka. Parang never pa ako nakapagbuhat ng newborn. As in, yung newborn, parang 1 day old na anak, diba? Tapos, anak mo na yun, magbe-breastfeed ka na. Parang ang daming takot.
Yes,
Pero lahat yun, kaya ko ba, ganyan.
Tanggalin mo ilalim.
Oo naman! Ano ka ba?
Mas
Day!
ba gusto mo?
Oo, Day!
So yes, nalaman ko siya sa taping, kasama si Josh.
Actually,
Siya po
Josh-
ang pinakaunang nakaalam, kaya bitter na bitter si Greg
Bubog
kay
ko yun.
Josh.
Bubog ba yun or tinig?
Bubog.
Bubog ko yun
Yes,
kay Josh.
bubog ni Greg yon dahil imbis na siya ang unang makaalam. Nawalan ako ng choice kung hindi kay Josh sabihin ng lahat dahil kinakatok na niya ako sa pin dahil naglock ako ng pinto nun, kinakatok na niya ako. Siyempre, nakalak yung pinto ko, umiihi ako. So,
When she messaged me at lunchtime, when she found out, and then Josh found out, not me, she said in a message, it's like, "Are you busy? Can we talk?" I assume I did something wrong, said something wrong, or forget to do something she asked me to do. So I was like, oh no. So I was driving at the time, had her on speaker, and yeah, she rang, and I had a friend in the car. He goes, the first thing I asked was, is it good news or bad news? And she said, I'm positive. I was like, oh shit, COVID? Oh, you better go home then. And you know, you were asking me to stop the car. Yeah.
Stop the car.
Stop the car. And I didn't. I told you I stopped the car, but I didn't. And you went on video call. I was like, stop the car. I was like, oh, okay, I'll stop the car. And I think that's when you said, no, we're pregnant. You showed me the stick. And I was dumbfounded. I didn't know what to do. And I came out of the car because there was a friend in the car because I wanted to cry with you. And we were in the back of the car. I was just pulled over on the side of the road. And yeah, we started crying and we didn't know what to do. Like, we wanted to do this, but we were like, oh my God, like I really didn't know what to do at the time. Like, and it took a while to sink in.
ano or sino ang pinagdilihan mo? Siya. Si Greg. Si Greg ang pinagdilihan
Yep.
ko. Sobrang arte ko ngayon.
That's why we think it's a girl.
Hindi pa ako naging ganito ka-arte buong buhay ko. Aalis lang siya papunta sa work, which is 7 minutes away dito kung saan kami nakatira. Umiiyak ako. Palagi. As in, ang sakit-sakit sa akin pag hindi ko siya nakikita. Nagdidilig lang siya ng halaman sa labas. Nasasad ako. Yung parang, bakit ang layo mo?
Yeah.
I think si Greg talaga yung pinagdilihan ko. Last 3 questions. Magiging full-time mother at wife ka na lang ba? Wife daw.
Walang pressure, ah.
Magiging full-time mother at wife ka na lang po ba? May balak pa din po ba kayo bumalik sa showbiz? Stay safe po. So, umpisa, syempre, kung ninamnam ko nga yung pagsusuka ko, syempre, nanamnamin ko yung pagiging ina ko, di ba? I-enjoy ko naman muna yung ano, parang 30 years na rin naman ako sa industriya. Parang ang dami ko nang naiambag. Siguro ngayon na hinihingi na nung life, eh, mag-focus naman ako sa aking family. Dahil sobrang blessed ko na magkaroon ako ng tinatawag na pamilya ngayon, di ba? Gusto ko doon ako mag-focus. Gusto kong ibigay ang lahat ng oras ko doon. Kasi si Greg din, babalik ng work. Ako parang tututukan ko muna yung baby. Pero pag kaya ko na ha, hindi ng bata, pag kaya ko nang iwan siya, yan, siguro babalik ako ng work. Will you allow your child to join showbiz in the future?
Maybe you should talk about this first.
Pag-usapan daw muna namin. Well, may vlog na siya. Pinagkakitaan na yung bagets. Meron ditong Ninongs and Dinangs reveal naman dyan. Keep safe po and God bless. Yun yung last question. So baka pwede tayo mag-share ng ilan sa mga Ninong and Ninang na nasa listahan natin. Well, isa na doon, syempre, ang mga matatalik naming kaibigan. Nandiyan si Glyza De Castro, si Ketchup Eusebio, si John Prats.
My good friends, si Mo, Villamor. And, oh wait, no, Pia. We decided it was Pia Villamor. And Marcus. There's a few more on my list, but I still gotta talk to them. So I don't wanna let the world know and not let them know yet.
So yun, so far, ayaw namin i-reveal muna lahat. Pero sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming, ano bang tawag dito?
I don't know.
Parang iiyak na to.
Sorry guys, I'm very nervous. It's my first time. But,
So,
you know, she wanted to do
marami
this.
pa tayong mga gagawin mga vlogs, lalo na yung pag-build natin ng boat.
Yeah. Sana makatulong itong ginagawa mo para hindi ka ganang mabaliw sa akin. No? Hindi mo kapag...
Magbaliw sa kanya.
No,
Ano to, obsessed sa'yo?
Hindi mo ko laging naaway kasi meron ka nang dinalabas na ngayon ng mga energy.
Sige, sa kanila ko na lang ikukwento yung, hay, naku, nakakainis today si Greg. Binasa ako ng tubig bago yung interview. Yan, so sana samahan nyo kami sa journey namin ngayong sa pagbuo namin ng aming maliit na pamilya. Baka sa susunod, nandito na si Bean.
Yes, very exciting.
Si Bean nga pala. Baka hindi nyo kilala.
And I'll try to do better. She'll teach me to do this better.
Yeah, sa susunod na agahan namin para may liwanag pa talaga. So, thank you.
Thank you,
Ano yung
everybody.
sinasabi doon? Click, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Inom na siya. Inom ka na.